Welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this video, we will learn how to use date filter and the various kinds of functions which are available on this data type. Let us see this by an example. From the metadata on left, I have selected the field travel date, upon which we will see how date filter is working. Click on the field travel date and a drop-down list is seen. Select filter from this. You will see that on the right side, the filter pane opens up and the travel date is added as a filter. Just below the filter name are four options: select, date picker, FX and R. When you click on FX, you can see a lot of quick date functions. Here, you will see all the subcategories of date time function. If this column had just the date part, then in FX time and its subcategories would not have been there. In short, whatever part of datetime function is present in selected field, only those functions would be present in the FX. Here, since you have both date and time with all their possible subcategories, all are present in FX. Let us discuss them one by one. So, first is date. Click on it to select it. You will notice that by default, this box shows current value of datetime function chosen from FX. Since we chose date, current date is shown. Now, you have two ways in which you can choose date or any other function available in FX. One is click on this select and you will see just the date part of this travel date of all the dates already in that column, and second is to choose the date from date picker. When you select date picker and then click on the box underneath, then a calendar-like menu is shown from where you can pick the particular date. So let's choose one date from here and apply the filter. You will see all the entries for this particular date if present in the database. If you want to see if any data is there for the current date, then select today from here. The basic difference between select and date picker is that in select you get to select only from those options that are in the database, whereas date picker will let you pick up value for a particular date function from generalized values, like for months the choice will be from 1 to 12, for days it will be 1 to 31, hours will be from 0 to 23, and minutes and seconds will be from 0 to 59. Now, next thing in FX is day. So, the select option will show us all the days present in database in drop-down list from which you can select the particular day. For date picker again, clicking here will show all 31 days in calendar style. If I choose day as 3, then the expected report would be showing all the results having 3 as the day, irrespective of month and year. Similar pattern of report generation will be followed by all date functions. Let us see the next option in FX now, that is months. Select will show all months from 1 to 12 and date picker will show months in words in calendar form. If we select 1 month from here and click on apply, then it will show the data for that month for all the years. Let's see the next function now, that is quarter. So select will show quarters in number form in a drop-down list and date picker will show it in this UI. Next in FX is the function year. Select will show all the years in database. Here I have data for just 2015. Date picker will show it in calendar form. After this, we have time function which will show time in hours, minute, seconds format. Select will give a list of time present in database and you can select time from here. From date picker, you can select your own combination of hours, minutes and seconds. If it is present in database, then you will see date time for that, otherwise no data will be shown. You can even select now to see data at current time irrespective of date. Next is hours. If we click on select, then it will show only those R values that are present in database. Date picker will show a UI like this. Select any value and you will see results corresponding to this R. Next option in FX is minutes. Select will show the minutes that are in database and you can select any value from here. Here, date picker allows minutes in drop-down list and will range from 0 to 59. After this in FX is seconds. In select, you will see that the value is just 0. This is because in database we have all values of seconds as 0 only. But in date picker, you will get the entire range of 0 to 59. The last option is individual. Select will show all the date and time values in the database, and from date picker, you can select your own combination of year, month, day, hours, minutes, and seconds, and generate a report using apply. Now in this video, we have seen how to use datetime function for single select option. We can even apply these filters for multi-select or get the result for particular range of date. For this, we have a separate video.
Congratulations, you are one step closer in becoming a Helical Insight expert.